Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Thursday, March 21st. Seeing a cloudy, rainy day out there this morning. That will continue throughout much of the day today. Not expecting too many periods of dryness as we go throughout the workday and into this evening and overnight as well. Could be seeing that rain break up a little bit in the overnight hours, but still expecting a chance of some light showers. But for the workday today, going to be seeing that rain falling all day long. Taking a look at our surface analysis, what's causing the rain this morning is that weak low off of Carolina starting to develop. That's going to continue to wrap up as we go throughout the day today and then into tonight before it moves off northeast of the area. And then behind that, we are going to be getting some rather gusty winds as we go into tomorrow and into Saturday as well, with a shortwave moving across tomorrow afternoon, giving us another chance of rain for tomorrow afternoon. Taking a look at our surface map here, you see we are seeing temperatures in the upper 40s to near 50 across the mid-Atlantic this morning. Winds are north to northeasterly across the region. Seeing those winds start to pick up here at Wallops. Those winds will shift more easterly than southeasterly as we go towards late morning hours and into the afternoon, and then becoming near wind advisory criteria with some gusts near 25 knots as we go towards the afternoon hours, and then by the pre-dawn hours of Friday and into much of the day Friday, we're going to be seeing those winds really ramp up, seeing some gusty conditions throughout the day tomorrow. Taking a brief look at short-term model here just to show you how this rain is going to progress as we go throughout the day. We are seeing some periods of moderate to briefly heavy rain out there this morning. That's going to continue throughout the morning hours. This is looking at noon. Then we'll start to see that rain possibly break up a little bit, but behind that main band, still expecting some scattered shower activity throughout the remainder of the day. And then after about 7 or 8 p.m., which is this time frame, we'll start to see that rain break up a little bit. But we do anticipate some low clouds to develop and possibly some drizzle to persist, as well as a chance of isolated light showers throughout tonight, and then ending by the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. As of 8 a.m., seeing a broken cloud deck 2,500, overcast of 5,000. It was seeing some moderate rain out there with visibilities down to 3 statute miles. Winds were from azimuth 070 at 8 knots with a temperature of 51 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today here, going to be seeing 100% chance of rain throughout the morning hours, and then seeing that rain continue as we go towards the early afternoon hours, possibly breaking up just a little bit, but still looking at a pretty high chance of seeing scattered showers after 4 p.m. Then after 8 p.m., seeing the more moderate rain moving out of the area, but still looking at a chance of some scattered showers, and definitely some low clouds and drizzle are going to be possible throughout the evening. And then by the time we get to sunrise tomorrow, going to be seeing those clouds start to break up just a little bit, and then seeing some peaks of sunshine by mid-morning tomorrow with those winds ramping up. We are going to be seeing a high today in the mid-50s, near 57 as we go towards the afternoon. Then those lows will remain mild tonight as we have that southwesterly wind increasing with a low only of 47 expected by Friday morning. Taking a look at our winds, we were seeing those winds east-northeasterly at 7 to 12 knots this morning. They will be becoming east-southeasterly around 8 to 13 knots and a little bit gusty as we go towards the late morning hours. Then southeasterly at 12 to 17 knots and gusty for the mid-afternoon, and then as we go towards the late afternoon to early evening, seeing those winds start to shift southeasterly then southerly, and after sunset tonight, those winds are going to become southwesterly, increasing to 12 to 17 knots and gusty by midnight, and by tomorrow, seeing those winds westerly at 13 to 18 knots and gusty just before sunrise, and then by mid-morning tomorrow, those winds will start to shift more northwesterly with those gusts beginning to increase into the 30 knot range, possibly seeing wind gusts up to 40 knots at times during the day on Friday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast today, going to be just seeing those ceilings pretty much remain between about 1,500 to 2,500 feet this morning, and throughout the afternoon, possibly a little bit lower if we get into any shower activity. Then as we go into the late afternoon and early evening, seeing those ceilings drop actually between 500 to 1,000 feet, with 500 becoming more likely in any shower activity. And those low ceilings are going to continue throughout the pre-dawn hours of Friday, and then by mid-morning Friday, starting to see those clouds finally break up a little bit, becoming few at 25, broken at 4,000 and 10,000 by 8 a.m. on Friday. seeing tides slightly above normal out there this morning. For tomorrow, going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies with some scattered showers in the afternoon as we have an additional shortwave passing across the area, so that'll give us another round of showers. It is going to be gusty winds throughout the day tomorrow with a high of 58, seeing those wind gusts to around 35 miles per hour. 35 to 40 miles per hour at times throughout the day Friday. Friday night, still going to be looking at partly cloudy skies to mostly clear at times. We are going to be seeing some drier air moving in, and those that pressure gradient will be pretty tight as we have high pressure starting to build in, and that's going to continue our gusty winds in the Friday with a low of 35. Then Saturday, going to be continuing those breezy, gusty winds as high pressure continues to build in and that pressure gradient remains tight across the region. Those winds should be dying down by the latter half of the day on Saturday, and looking at a high of 53 on Saturday under mostly sunny skies. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.